Rapport building is the greatest chapter that is to learn for every teacher. Hey everyone, my name is Ajay Prajapati. I'm fun teaching expert. It has been more than a 10 years experience as an enjoyable teaching. So, one thing is the greatest, and the people often ask me and they often come to learn from me is how do you connect your students? And how your classes are more entertaining all the times, how your students are more inspired, how they are more happy with you. That's the thing that I'm gonna share this with you. How do I make it happen? Okay, see, when I teach English, whether you teach any kind of subject, history, math, Sanskrit, any chapter, see, when I teach English, I never actually inspire people through the lot of motivation, how your life would be, how this would be, how this would be. I never talk about these kind of stuff. I say, hey man, I was 00 in English in my school life. I was a wonder boy. My shirts buttons open, यहाँ वहाँ हांड रहे हैं दो चार दोस्तों के साथ में, मैं ये था यार. मेरे इंग्लिश 00 थी स्कूल लाइफ में. आज मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ. This is what actually inspires people to learn English. You can say, I did not have a good grade in history, science, maths. Today I am a history teacher. Today I am a science teacher. मेरे 10th class में, see, if you want to impress people, talk about your success. If you want to impact people, talk about your failures. Say, 10th class में मेरा जो history में score था 47 मार्क्स थे. आज मैं हिस्ट्री टीचर हूं. जब मैं क्लास 8th में था तो मेरा जो स्कोर था 40 स्कोर था सिर्फ. आज मैं साइंस टीचर हूं. तो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली व्हेन यू शेयर दीज स्टोरीज एक्चुअली, सो यू रिमेंबर दैट योर जर्नी, हाउ डिड यू बिकम. व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट योर ओन जर्नी, जब आप खुद की जर्नी की बात करते हैं तो यू गेट मोर कॉन्फिडेंट एंड यू फील लाइक माई एवरी स्टूडेंट कैन डू मैसिव इन साइंस, कैन डू मैसिव इन हिस्ट्री. दैट्स ऑल द rapport building. So what I mean here, let's get into here. Talk about how were you in English. आप इंग्लिश में कैसे थे. सेंटेंस नहीं बनता था. जैसे कि मैं अक्सर एक स्टोरी को शेयर करता हूँ. I'm gonna share with you. Okay. You know what? When I was in class 8, जब मैं 8वीं क्लास में था, एक बार मेरी इंग्लिश कैसी थी. तो एक बार ऐसे एक क्वेश्चन आया था, मतलब कि एक तो फ्लुएंसी ऐसे करके एक दो बुक हुआ करती थी और एक स्टोरी वाली हो गई थी. बहुत सारी स्टोरी हुआ करती थी उसके अंदर में. तो हु वाज मिस्टर पीटर, ऐसे सवाल आते थे. हाई की स्टोरी मैंने पढ़ी तो थी, मिस्टर पीटर और ऐसे करके मेरे को थोड़ा याद आ गया. इतना कौन 18 चैप्टर कौन याद, लेकिन एक दो चैप्टर दिमाग में रह ही जाते हैं. थोड़ा बहुत मुझे याद आ गया. अब पता मेरा आंसर कैसा था. Who was Mr. Peter? Mr. Peter was a good person. दो नंबर का था ना. Mr. Peter was very good person. This is I was. मैं ये था इंग्लिश में अपने करियर में. You know what? This is how I inspire my students. So they get inspiration. And they get to say, even my English is not good. My English is not good. So when you talk about your such stuff, your students get more inspired. They feel like I can do. Same condition is mine. Sorry. So talk about it, how you were. Talk about your score. आपने कुछ खास स्कोर नहीं किया था. Okay, talk about your failures. Okay. अपने फेलियर्स की बात कीजिए कि यार ये था, अच्छा नहीं हुआ, एक बार मैं चीटिंग कर रहा था, एक बार ऐसे करके था. शेयर. आपके ये स्टूडेंट स्पॉइल हो जाएंगे अगर मैं ऐसी बातें करूंगा. नो, यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द रियल पाथ which you have experienced. Actually, what you have experienced, definitely the same challenges they will have, definitely the same things they must be doing, right? Sorry. Next is here, your silly acts as a student. आप रिमेंबर कीजिए अपने silly acts को as a student. When you were the science students, how were you? कितना आप पढ़ते थे, कैसे आप मैनेज करते थे. When you talk about the entire your own journey in front of them, how did you learn, how could it be better, as an improvement you can do that. Definitely you will connect more with your students, and you will actually have a wonderful connection with your class. Your classroom will be more happy, more excited, and they would actually respect you as a trainer, as a mentor. That's how you actually build rapport. This is what you guys need to learn in terms of making the wonderful connection with your students and regarding your subject. That's what is my tip is. What this actually will happen means, what actually this will do, your students will feel more motivated because they are also not good, they were like you. They get inspired from your stories. वो actually खुद inspire होते हैं आपके stories से, और आपको खुद को अच्छा लगता है when you talk about your childhood, when you talk about your failures, you actually look at the reality. Otherwise क्या होता है ना कि जब हमारा जो टाइम था हम अपने टाइम को भूल जाते हैं, अभी आके नेता बनने लग जाते हैं. That's not right. This is where यही problem है, your students don't connect with you. If you want to build a wonderful connections, you must have a wonderful rapport with the students. Build this rapport, look at the miracle and how it changes, okay? And your students will connect with you and you'll be on a real path. That actually will happen. That's all about the rapport building. I'm sure that you're going to work on the rapport building, and I'll keep on sharing these kind of awesome and wonderful tips with you. So actually you can have day by day improvement with your teaching. So you actually change the stuff like this, it becomes easy, और आप कहेंगे ना अब तो मजा आने लग गया है टीचिंग. I love it. This is a meaningful job. It's amazing job. Why I couldn't see before. ये तो यार बड़ा अच्छा प्रोफेशन है, बहुत अच्छी जॉब है, मैं इसको पहले कभी देख क्यों नहीं पाया. Actually, you were looking for a coach. You needed someone who can actually tell you the right stuff about the training or the teaching. You can become the celebrity of your class. That's what can happen to you, okay? My name is Ajay Prajapati. Just to remind you, rapport building is the career building, okay? All right, with the students, that's what you can do. If you have any question, if you want any kind of my help over there, I'll be with you or will help you with the more tips. And if you have any more struggling with any kind of question, put your question in the comment box. I'll be answering your question. Or that's all. 888-204-80 is my number. Anything is there, give me a call. Let us discuss about your training or teaching, what the challenges you are facing, what the stuff can be happen that I can help you. How could you actually have a fun teaching in your career? See you in the next video. Take care.